Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Foamiclean is probably one of the most versatile cleaning solutions you'll ever encounter, effortlessly tackling grease, grime, and stains on virtually any surface without the need for rinsing, making it an indispensable tool for busy households and car enthusiasts alike who value efficiency and a spotless finish. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500g. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste, your go-to solution for a sparkling clean home. This powerful paste tackles dirt and grime with ease. Effortlessly removes stubborn grease, grime, and stains from various surfaces. It's designed to make your cleaning task simpler and more effective. From your kitchen countertops to your bathroom tiles, this cleaner is versatile. It leaves surfaces looking like new without harsh scrubbing. Achieve a brilliant shine on your tiles, glass, shower doors, and even your oven. It's the multi-purpose cleaner you've been searching for. Despite its powerful cleaning action, it's gentle on surfaces. Enjoy a spotless finish on sinks, stainless steel, and more. This generous 500g tub provides ample cleaning power for all your needs. Get ready to experience the magic of the pink stuff. What we like. This paste is your go-to for tough messes. It excels at cutting through stubborn grease, grime, and stains on a variety of surfaces. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cleaner that tackles baked-on food or soap scum, this is the one for you. What people say. The foam cleaner is rinse-free, making it convenient for quick cleanups. It effectively tackles grease and grime, leaving surfaces clean without needing to rinse. The multipurpose nature of the cleaner allows it to be used on various surfaces. Number 4. Better Life All-Purpose Cleaner. Introducing a revolutionary cleaner designed for your entire home. Its plant-based formula tackles messes on virtually any surface. From countertops to appliances, achieve a brilliant shine without harsh chemicals. It leaves your home fresh and spotless. Worry less about what you're spraying. This versatile cleaner is safe for glass, upholstery, and so much more. Enjoy a truly clean home without any added fragrance. It's powerful on dirt but gentle on your senses. Make cleaning a breeze with this all-purpose solution. Experience a better, cleaner home with ease. What we like. This cleaner offers a gentle yet effective clean powered by plants. Its unscented formula makes it ideal for those sensitive to fragrances or for use in kitchens and around food. If you prefer an eco-friendly option that works on countertops, appliances, and more without harsh smells, consider this. What people say. The foam cleaner is easy to use, just spray and wipe. It effectively removes dirt and grime without needing to rinse. The multipurpose formula works on various surfaces. Number 3. Chemical Guy's Nonsense Odorless All-Purpose Cleaner. Experience powerful cleaning without any scent. This invisible formula effectively removes grime and residue from various surfaces, both inside and out, delivering consistent results every time. Its rich foam enhances cleaning contact, lifting dirt from textured surfaces and high-touch areas. It's ideal for interior detailing, ensuring thorough cleaning and a residue-free finish. This cleaner is designed for use on dashboards, fabrics, rubber, and plastic components. Its balanced formula supports all-purpose cleaning needs without altering the surface appearance. Safe for vinyl, rubber, plastic, carpet, and upholstery, its spray and wipe application makes maintenance effortless. Keep your vehicle's interior clean and refreshed with minimal effort. Trusted for interior maintenance and deep cleaning, it helps restore a clean finish on various surfaces. It supports both routine maintenance and complete detailing workflows. Enjoy a truly clean car with our colorless and odorless cleaner. It provides reliable cleaning for all your detailing needs, leaving surfaces looking and feeling fresh. What we like. Experience powerful cleaning without any scent. Its rich foam penetrates deep to lift dirt and grime from all sorts of surfaces, making it perfect for car interiors and exteriors. If you're a car enthusiast or need to deep clean your vehicle's upholstery, plastics, and engine bay without lingering odors, this is your best bet. What people say. The foam cleaner is effective and easy to use. It cleans surfaces well without needing to rinse. The product has a pleasant scent and leaves no residue. Number 2. Scotchgard Rug and Carpet Cleaner, 14 ounces. Introducing the Scotchgard Rug and Carpet Cleaner, your ultimate solution for a spotless home. This powerful spray tackles tough messes with ease. Its advanced formula penetrates deep into fabrics, lifting dirt and grime. More than just cleaning, it actively blocks future stains from setting in. Perfect for a wide range of household items, from rugs and curtains to sofas and auto upholstery. Keep all your fabrics looking their best. Experience the deep, penetrating foam action that tackles even the toughest stains like oil, dirt, and mud. It helps maintain the like-new appearance of your fabrics. Make cleanup easier with this effective cleaning spray. It's designed for both large and small surface areas, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Enjoy long-lasting protection against future stains. This spray ensures your carpets and fabrics remain vibrant and clean for longer. What we like. This spray not only cleans but also actively prevents future stains. Its deep foam action tackles dirt and mud, keeping your fabrics looking new. If you have carpets, upholstery, or curtains that are prone to spills and stains, this offers long-lasting protection and easy cleanup. What people say. It is a rinse-free foam cleaner that can be used for multiple purposes. The foam cleaner is easy to use and effectively cleans various surfaces without the need for rinsing. It leaves surfaces clean and fresh without any sticky residue. Number 1. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Bundle. Discover the power of the pink stuff with this convenient bundle. It includes our iconic Miracle Cleaning Paste and a versatile multi-purpose spray. Tackle tough grime and stains effortlessly with our Miracle Cleaning Paste. It's formulated to lift dirt and leave surfaces sparkling clean. For everyday messes, reach for the multi-purpose spray. It's perfect for quick cleanups and leaves a fresh scent. Achieve a brilliant shine on a variety of surfaces. These products work together to make your cleaning routine easier and more effective. Get the best of both worlds with this bundle. It's your go-to solution for a spotless home, from deep cleaning to daily maintenance. What we like. Get the best of both worlds with this convenient bundle. It includes a powerful cleaning paste for tough jobs and a versatile spray for everyday messes. If you want a comprehensive cleaning solution for various household needs and appreciate a great value, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. What people say. This foam cleaner is incredibly effective at removing tough stains from various surfaces. The rinse-free formula makes cleaning quick and convenient, saving time and effort. Its multi-purpose nature allows it to be used on a wide range of materials, from upholstery to countertops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.